Hello everyone, this is Ragnesh from Ragula Training. In today's session, I am going to show you a live step-by-step process of how to register for the GRE exam and how the coupon code actually works. Because many students have these common doubts. How does the coupon code work? How does the exam fee become zero? Is this process genuine? So instead of just explaining theoretically, today I am going to show you the live proof. You will clearly see how to register for exam, where exactly to apply the coupon code, and how the fee becomes zero. Log in into your GRE account. Click on GRE here. Click on sign in and click on sign in here. Click on register now. Here select a test, that is GRE general test at home. Yeah, click on continue now. So as you opted for 17th May, click on 17th May. Yeah, select your time slot here. Just check all the details. Now here click on register for this test. Click on I understand. Click on next. Click on next. Scroll down. Here just click on share my profile. Just scroll down, click on next. Yeah, here you need to enter your background information of what country or region. Click on that. Yeah, just click on next. Scroll down. Yeah, click on continue to check out. As you can see here, this is the actual exam fee of GRE, that is 23,452. Now here comes the important part. Through our support, we provide a special coupon code through which students can register at less cost. Now if I talk about today, students are getting offer around 2,500. Now you can get a coupon code at a price of 20,900. When you pay 20,900 to our team, we will provide you with one coupon code. When you apply that code over here, this fee becomes zero. This process, I want to show you live how the code will be applied, how the fee becomes zero in your dashboard. Now you are going to see it. Because we provide 100% fee waiver type coupon. Once this coupon is applied, the payable amount becomes zero on the official website. That means you don't pay again on the website. The amount is already covered through the coupon system. That is why the process works like this. You connect with us, we provide you with a valid coupon code, you apply it here and your payable amount becomes zero. So now we are going to see how the coupon code is getting applied. Yes, Madhu, you enter the coupon code which I shared you at the section of apply voucher code. Yes, just copy and paste it over here. Enter the coupon code here and click on apply. Yes. Now you can see the screen. Once we apply the coupon code, the fee it is showing you is zero. This is how we apply the coupon codes in all the exams like GRE, TOEFL, Bingo, PTE. Now click on submit. Click on view order confirmation. Now you can clearly see here payment type is zero amount. That means you are already paying through the coupon. This is how the coupons works in English proficiency test exams. So this is how the registration will complete by using our coupon code. As you have seen, everything is done live and transparently. And if you need any assistance during your registration, our team will connect with you over a call or a Google Meet, guide you step by step, help you complete your registration easily so that you can avoid mistakes, save your exam fee and complete your registration confidently. This is exactly how we help students. If you are interested, you can contact our team directly through WhatsApp. Thank you.